I spent 3 hours making one YouTube short last month. This week I made 47 while I was asleep. And I'm about to show you the exact n8n workflow that does it. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just the full bill. Here's the thing about the Reddit story shorts. They're insanely viral right now. Channels are pulling millions of views just reposting stories with AI voices and background footage. But if you are doing this manually, you're looking at 3 to 4 hours per video minimum. Copy the story, record or generate the voiceover, find the background clips, time everything perfectly, and subtitles, create the thumbnail overlay, upload, repeat. Last week I saw a trending story on Reddit, perfect for my channel. But by the time I finished editing, 14 other channels had already posted it. I got maybe 200 views, they got 50,000. That's when I stopped editing and started automating. And this workflow changed everything. I built this n8n workflow. You paste a Reddit story into a Google Sheet and it handles everything. It auto splits long stories into bite sized videos, pulls background footage from YouTube channels you pre selected, generates AI voiceover with perfect timing, syncs subtitles automatically, adds that thumbnail image overlay that Reddit short prompts, renders the final video, and posts it straight to the YouTube channel. This whole thing runs in about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the whole workflow. In this workflow, we have several parts. The first part is selecting the substory, or if there are no substories, it will take the main story and create substories from it. And the second part is selecting the background video. And as per the third part is generating all the voiceover, subtitles, and everything. And the final part is combining all those things, making the final video and uploading it to our YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. In these all things, I will explain step by step. First thing, the first part, selecting the sub story or creating the sub stories. How I divided these things is that we have a story, and that story can be long. So that story needs to divide it into various parts, so like a sub stories. Or if the story is short, it can be made into just a single part. So I created these sheets where we have the stories. Here we upload the story from the Reddit that we like, that we think that will get many views from this. We will just upload to the story and we just need to keep the status as not processed. After keeping this, what it does is if there are no sub stories, suppose there are no sub stories in this, what it does is first it tries to fetch the sub story, and if there are no sub stories, it goes to this AI agent creation. What this part does is it takes a story and using ChatGPT, I gave it a special prompt such that it will generate me all these fields, all these various fields. It will generate me a viral hook. It will cut the main story into sub stories. If it is long, if it is short, it will just convert into a single sub story. Then it will add the voice. Voice will be directly come from what we keep here, and it will generate as a title, the captions. It will set the video status as to do, not done, and then it will generate us 10 different 5 different hashtags. I have changed that. Initially it used to be 10, but then I changed the hashtags count to number 5. It will generate the chat. It uses ChatGPT to generate all of those things, and it will update everything to this sheet. It will add everything to this sheet with the status as to do, and then it goes back to again to this node, and it will again fetch if there is a substory with the status as studio. It will only fetch the first one with the studio status, and after fetching it, it goes to this the second part of our workflow, that is selecting the background video. For the background video, in the same Google Sheet, I have created a separate sheet which has all the YouTube channel IDs. These channel IDs have videos, different videos like gameplay videos, satisfaction videos, orbital videos, these kind of things. And all these videos are completely copyright free, so we can use them as a background videos. We can't upload them, upload those. We can't take those videos directly and upload them to our videos. We can't do it right. We can use them as background videos. So for them, I just took 4 channels and listed them here. YouTube channel ID. This is the important part, and the status as not used. First, it gets the YouTube channel ID that has the status as not used, and then it updates the channel ID status to used so that we don't use it again for the next video. After setting the user status, it checks if the channel ID that we took has the tag as last. If it is the last, then for the next videos, it again needs to go from the starting. So what it does is I have created a loop over here. If it is last, it goes through this, it gets all the channel IDs and sets all the status to not used. After updating all the status to not used, it proceeds with the channel ID that we fetched. That means the last channel ID. It fetch. From there, it goes and gets 20 latest videos from that channel. Then it gets the video IDs with this, all the video data with video IDs. Then what it does is, if we are uploading videos, uploading videos to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and everything, and it has all these videos IDs. It the previous videos that we uploaded use these videos as the background video. So we don't want them to use the same video again as the background video. So instead of that, every time a video gets uploaded, the background video ID is stored here beside that, so that whenever we are getting the video IDs of a particular channel, we can check if that particular video IDs, if any video IDs among the 20 videos IDs we got are already used, it will remove them, filter them out, and it will only get us the video IDs that are not used in any of our previous videos. After getting those things, it will go and it will select a random video ID. We just need one background video. So it will go and select a random video ID, and then it will create various links from that video ID. These are all various links like video URL, the YouTube path, the video path, audio path. These are all the links, the same way that is stored in our n8n server. These links are used to store various files, like when we are creating audio files, when storing it, we use the same link from here. Instead of it randomly selecting some links, some place to store, we just store it here with a particular name that we can fetch if we want it somewhere else. That's the reason I created Gradely. From here, it goes to send a text message. It sends us a text message with some ffmpeg commands, the YouTube link, and a viral loop. So what this does is, so first for the Reddit stories, we see many Reddit stories has this kind of overlay at the first few seconds, like 1 to 2 3 seconds, they have this overlay on it, and it disappears later. So to add this, we need to go to Canva and create this. And what this does is, it will send us a text message. This is how it sends a text message, the YouTube video ID. This is the YouTube video that we need to copy, and using some online tool we can download it. After downloading the YouTube video, we need to use this first peg command that it sends. What this does is, if the YouTube video ID is in like 16 is to 9 ratio, it will convert it into a 9 is to 16 ratio. Means something that we can upload to Instagram and YouTube Shorts in that format. After that, it also sends us the viral hook. We just need to copy the viral hook, go to the Canva that we created, and we just need to paste that one, paste that here. After pasting that here, we just need to download it. After downloading it, we need to run the second ffmpeg command. What this does is, already the video that we created, that has the perfect ratio for uploading to Instagram, and it will combine that and the image that we created. On it will add that image to first 1 to 5 seconds of that video until the hook ends. So it will be just like the viral videos that we see in Reddit. After combining all of those things, we need to upload it back to our server where anytime can access the files. After uploading, we just need to delete everything from our laptop. That's it done. This is the human in the loop. That is what we do. After uploading everything, we just need to say approve it. This whole process that we do here takes somewhere around 4 minutes. It doesn't take more than 4 to 5 minutes. After uploading everything, it takes the after approving, it goes here. If per suppose we don't have the laptop, so we can't do all of this thing. We of course can't run the ffmpeg commands from our phone. So if we don't have laptop, we can just simply decline it, and it will just stop and throw an error saying that we didn't got the resources we want. So so that we can later come and rerun the whole workflow and we can upload that video. And if we approve it, it goes to the next part. This is the part where it creates all these audio subtitles for the video. We already have the video with the image overlay onto it. We have the this image overlay onto it. So what this does is this whole part checks the resolution of the video that we uploaded, like what are its values, like 1080p into 1920p, that we need those values for generating the subtitle. Next part is generating the audio. What this does is here's the story and passes that story into the generate audio node from ChatGPT. So I'm using TTS1 model. You need to connect your API account, and the text input is we need to add the story to it. And as per the voice, it has some fixed expressions that it has. So what I did is, instead of adding there, so we have two kind of stories. One is narrated by a woman and another is by men. So I added Nova and Ongs. These are two voices that are already present in the chat GPT. I just added them here. So whenever I add a story and it feels like it is narrated by a woman or man, I just add the voice over here. So that whenever like ChatGPT processes the story and converts it to sub story, it will also add that here. From here, whenever it's getting the story from here, it will take the same voice and it will add it here, so that we get the voice in the format that we want. The audio we will get, and then we will store it on our server. After storing, we go to generating the subtitles. This is the subtitles. What it does is it generates the uh, subtitles for us. For generating the subtitles, it uses OpenAI to convert the audio into correct transcripts at that particular moment with particular timestamps. After getting every timestamps, it I have a code that will convert everything to a beautiful subtitles with what do we say, whenever we are talking a particular word, it highlights that word and everything, and then it stores that file too. After that, the final process we are left with is combining everything. We have the video, we have the audio, we have the subtitles, and then we combine everything in this ffmpeg command. We will get the final video. And what I have seen is most of these viral Reddit stories are not in 1x speed. They are at like 1.25x or 1.5x. So what did is make the final video faster. I just increase the speed a bit faster so that people will have more engagement to it. After this process is done, the final process that we are left with is uploading. For uploading, I didn't want to spend money on services like Blotato. So Blotato will make the uploading process very easy. I know that, but I didn't want to spend that much money. I want to try method free money. So I personally tried YouTube. We have those nodes directly. We have the YouTube node directly, so you can just press in YouTube and you can directly upload to YouTube. That won't be a problem. But when uploading to Facebook and Instagram, we can't directly upload. For Facebook and Instagram, I personally created a Facebook graph API and everything, and I connected them. I will explain this how to create the Facebook, Instagram. I tried TikTok, but I couldn't get it. I will explain these things in a different video. For uploading to Facebook and Instagram, you need a public URL. That is what this process is. For YouTube, you need the file. You need the direct file right before uploading the video. So that's the reason we have this. It fetches the video from the server and then we upload it. For this, we just need the public URL. After uploading everything, it goes to the final updates. It will update everything. It will go to the sheets. It will update the status as done since the uploading is done, and then it will clear everything, every video that we have created, audio subtitles from our server. It will clear everything, update everything, and then it will send us a text message back to us saying that the uploading process is done, and the videos got uploaded to all three platforms with all three links. This is the whole workflow, and that's it. You just build a YouTube short factory that runs on autopilot. What used to take you 3 hours per video now takes 5 to 10 minutes. This workflow has generated over 200 shots for me in the last month. Some flopped, some hit views. But there's the thing. I didn't I didn't have to choose which stories to bet on. I could test everything. Alright, so you want to build this yourself. I've put everything you need in my school community, the complete n8n workflow, the template, the Google Sheet template, the background video channel list, the AI voiceover prompts, troubleshooting guide, everything. Just join the community, search for the message with the same title and grab it all. Link is in the description, and while you are there, introduce yourself and drop what automations you are trying to build. Just click the link, join, and grab the template. If this workflow saved you hours of editing, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. I drop a new automation every week. Drop a comment below and let me know what automation you want to build next. Alright, that's it. Go build, go automate, and I'll see you the next one.